Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw capital improvements and amortize correctly in LandVision, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open LandVision and log into your account. Navigate to the project you want to work on. Access the Financial Tools section on the dashboard. Locate the option for capital improvements. Select the property associated with the capital improvements you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the details in the withdrawal summary. Proceed to the Amortization section. Select the appropriate capital improvement from the drop-down menu. Specify the amortization period for this improvement. Enter the total invested amount for accurate calculations. Review the amortization schedule created by LandVision. Make adjustments if necessary to align with your accounting practices. Save your changes once you're satisfied with the entries. Generate a report to track these changes for your records. Exit the Financial Tools section. Log out of your LandVision account if you're finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.